Hey! In front of me is TCL TabMax, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now choose apps section, scroll down again and click on default apps. Over here you need to choose home app and tap on simple launcher. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to access settings again, go into apps, default apps and home app. Now tap on launcher over here and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!